Today, I'm going to introduce you the digital wire tracker with POE. To start with, let's try the POE test first. We put the cable in the POE port and we can see the figures on the screen. The type, the standard, and the voltage. Let's move on to the continuity testing. We put one end in the continuity port and the other end in the remote, and the test will be showing on the screen. We can see the numbers are in order. That means the cable is working. This is a 15-meter network cable. We put one end in the length or flash port and the other end is in the air, and the test will be showing on the screen. We can see it's 49.6 meter, so the accuracy is over 99%. Now let's try the scan test. It has three modes: digital mode, analog mode, and POE mode. We select digital mode for now, and the receiver must matches the emitter. Both are digital mode. Now let's start. We can hear no sound here, so that means the target cable is not here. Now, so the gray cable is the target one. Even though the blue one is close, but there's no sound. It can target the cable